Assalamu alaikum. I am Zakira Begum. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you making peanuts pakoda. Ingredients: peanuts 2 cups, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, corn flour half cup, rice flour half cup, besan gram flour half cup, curry leaves half cup, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, oil for fry. Procedure: microwave peanuts 2 or 3 minutes on 900 watts. Let them cool for few minutes. Take a plate, add besan, rice flour, corn flour, cumin powder, red chilli powder and salt. Mix all the ingredients. Add peanuts. Mix them. Finally add 2 teaspoons of hot oil. And sprinkle little water. Shape into small balls. Now the peanuts will be coated with the masala over them. Heat oil in a deep pan. Now drop the coated peanuts slowly into oil as small lumps. The entire process of frying should be done in medium flame only. Once the pakoda turn to golden brown, add curry leaves, stir once. Now peanuts pakoda is ready. Drain them into a plate with tissue paper. Cool them and store in an airtight container. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe me.